welcome guys. It's time for another recipe here on Realize Guyana. Today we're going to be doing baked chicken legs and thighs. And this is a perfect accompaniment to your party dishes. We all have fried rice and chow mein at our parties, right? Or any meal. This is a perfect accompaniment to go with those two dishes and many other dishes. Delicious, juicy baked chicken. So for this recipe, we have our chicken there. We're going to be using some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, cassava, casareep, black pepper, garlic pepper, celery, and broadleaf thyme. So this is going to be one wicked, juicy baked chicken, guys. So let's get started. So first thing, you're going to prepare your chicken, guys. So someone had asked for this recipe a long while ago and I completely forgot about it. Going through the comments the other day, I saw it again. So we're gonna make some holes in the chicken like this here. Let it absorb the seasonings better. And you don't need to go buy one of those fancy things to inject your chicken and all of those fancy stuff. All you need is a knife and do what we're doing here. So time to wash your chicken now. Sometimes you buy these and they have a few little feathers, tiny feathers on them. You gotta look for those too. So our chicken legs are all cleaned, washed, and it's time for seasoning now. So that's the celery. So we're gonna also add our broadleaf thyme in here. Pound everything together, get a nice seasoning paste. So here's our paste, guys, all ground, nice and ready for our delicious chicken. So in goes our seasoning. So we didn't add any salt at the beginning, guys, so we're gonna add salt to taste here now. Black pepper to taste. There's some jerk seasoning. Some chicken seasoning. And some all-purpose seasoning. And now for the casareep. And you gotta rub it in. Ensure that the seasoning gets in all those holes that you poked earlier. Okay guys, so we're gonna put our chicken in the oven right now and we're gonna broil this. I'm gonna give you the times in the description box below. But we're gonna broil this here now. And broiling is what keeps the juice, as opposed to baking. The broiling keeps the juices in the chicken better. Makes it for one juicier chicken. Okay guys, so our chicken has been broiling for about 45 minutes. So we're gonna make a check here, see what's happening. And look at that. So we're gonna baste our chicken here now and put it back in. And when you're broiling this chicken, you want to put the chicken at the bottom rack as far away as from the top burner as possible, because that's in broiling, that's where your heat is coming from, the top burner, right? So you want to put this at the bottom burner. So we're gonna put this back after basting now. Okay, so we're gonna go flip our chicken a bit now to cook the other side a bit. Okay, so we'll baste this after turning them over. You gotta baste it again, so it helps it to keep juicy. And put that back in the oven now. Okay guys, so our chicken is done now. And that's looking yummy. So to get your chicken to look very nice, we're going to show you the next steps. Okay guys, so after you've removed the chicken from the pan, you're going to put on some barbecue sauce. And these two have, so we'll show you how we'll do the next one. And that's what is going to have your chicken looking yummy as it will taste. So that's it there guys. That's it for the end of our baked chicken. Okay guys, so this is all our chicken covered with our barbecue sauce. And now we're going to let you see how juicy these are. So there you go guys, look at that. Look at how juicy this chicken is. Yummy. So that's it for this video guys. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.